Namaste. We will continue with the 71st Sloka in chapter 2. Vihāya kāmān yas sarvān pumāṁś carati niḥspṛhaḥ nirmamo nirahaṅkāraḥ śāntim adhigacchati. Vihāya kāmān yah sarvān pumāṁ carati niḥspṛhaḥ nirmamo nirahaṅkāraḥ śāntim adhigacchati. Bhagavan was describing the lakshanas of a sthitiḥ to Arjuna in almost 17 slokas. Sthitiḥ is a person in whom the knowledge of the self has stabilized. Bhagavan continues in this sloka about the lakshanas of the sthitiḥ. Vihāya kāmān, sarvān kāmān vihāya, discarding all desires or leaving all desires, he moves about niḥspṛhaḥ. Niḥspṛhaḥ meaning one who does not have any desire. Here, even desire to maintain his own body. Next, he does not hold to any object, saying it is mine. He renounces all possessions and does not cling to any object. Third, he has no adhigacchati, nirahaṅkāraḥ. Ahaṅkāraḥ here means the feeling of I. We all have a feeling of I in this body and mind. A jnani does not feel the I sense within his body and mind. Such a jnani attains eternal peace. With this sloka, Bhagavan concludes the sthitiḥ lakshanam. Now, let us briefly look at the lakshanas that Bhagavan had pointed out. Sarva kama parityagah, one who has renounced all desires in samadhi. Atmaratihi, one who is happy within himself, who experiences bliss within himself. Dukkeshu anudvignamanaha, who is not disturbed when there is sorrow. Sukeshu vigatasprihah, he does not crave for happiness. Raga abhavah, krodha abhavah, bhaya abhavah, one who does not have attachment or fear or anger. Sarvatra sneha abhavah, who does not cling to or attach to anything. Sukha prāpto ānanda bhavah, he is not elated when he gets happiness. Dukkha prāpto dvesha abhavah, there is no aversion because of sorrow. Indriya jayam, we also saw this as damaha. Pratyak brahma-parata, he is always turned inwards. Samahitam chittatvam, his mind is focused. Vyavahara rahityam, he does not transact much. Niḥspṛhaḥ, he has no desires based on which actions are initiated. Nirmamo, there is nothing he clings to as his. There is nothing called as mine. Nirahaṅkāraḥ, there is no I sense in the jnani. In the next sloka, Bhagavan concludes this section. Esha brahmī sthitiḥ pārtha naināṁ prāpya vimuhyati sthitvāsyām anta-kāle'pi brahma-nirvāṇam ṛcchati. Esha brahmī sthitiḥ pārtha naināṁ prāpya vimuhyati sthitvāsyām anta-kāle'pi brahma-nirvāṇam ṛcchati. Bhagavan explains that this is the state a brahmajnani attains, attaining which there is no delusion any further. Sthitvāsyām anta-kāle'pi. So even if one attains this state towards the end of his life, just before leaving this body, he attains moksha, which is permanent happiness. Bhagavan had explained the lakshanas of a sthitiḥ. They are his svabhava, his nature, but they become our sadhana. Moksha is adhyantika dukkha nivritti paramananda prapti. It is the attainment of permanent happiness. Moksha is also to be liberated from the cycle of birth and death. We will quickly look at the summary of the second chapter tomorrow and then continue with chapter 3. Dhanyavadah.